Day 4, new door on. Looks very sleek and fancy. Taped it up front, taped it in the back. We'll see how it holds up. Guys, the one thing about running with the 301 streetcar crew is that they leave early in the mornings. So this is like 6:15 a.m. that we're rolling out. But their cars are so cool. One of the coolest things about this is obviously getting to see all the different people at the gas stations because you're generally in a different part of the convoy. So after this, I got out of the cart and got in with Jonathan in the Black Nova right there. It's another YouTuber right here. Here we're at the checkpoint for day 4. Just ended up around a bunch of super cool cars, so I thought I'd walk around and give you guys a couple shots here. It was really neat. Every time we stopped, I mean, I know I said this a while ago, but every time we stopped, it was a whole different group of people. It was really cool. So I love this stuff. They won't let you use it. They got one, they won't let you use it. Being a bunch of 12-year-old boys, we had to see how many people we could fit in this telephone booth, and the answer is 5 adult men.
I'm not going this time.
Good, what do you got?
Logan, you're skinnier. Get in there.
Yeah, that is true. You are the skinniest.
No, I disagree.
Need one more.
Come on, Logan, get in there.
One more. Get in here.
Where am I going?
The door won't open.
You squeezing that by
Let him in that side.
I know we don't know each other,
Okay,
but
we're about to
I know
learn.
you're about to be touched,
Oh.
but
I'm Logan, by the way.
let me shut this. My name's Dustin. You smell good.
You smell good.
Smell nice. Close the door, fucking. Oh, yeah. I'm Logan. I'm Logan, by the way. Oh, yeah.
You smell nice. You smell nice. Good.
That's awesome. Alright, so we had to get gas about every 60 or 70 miles. So I'm just going to bring you guys all the cars at all the gas stations. It was so hot in the Nova that we were having a real hard time staying on point. So we pulled over at a roadside table. That's literally what it said on the sign. I guess found a little shady spot for some roadside repair on the Nova. Don't really know what's going on. We just pulled up. I've been riding in the Mustang for the last little bit. I was going to do a bit of video with that, but completely forgot. It was so nice to be in a nice car again that I just relaxed and hung out. So not only is Jonathan broke, but we have no gas. We are 0 miles to empty. So we were hauling balls trying to get some parts before 5 from this little parts store, get in the car running, and damn, end up at 0 miles. Here's the station. We're gonna make it. Alright, so we couldn't find the part for Jonathan, and Timmy and I are headed to Tulsa to get the truck and trailer. How far is Tulsa? 3 hours and 40 minutes. God damn. We have 8 hours of driving ahead of us tonight, so we can get to Great Bend and then ride with everybody to Tulsa tomorrow. So it'll be 9. We already drove an hour already there and back. So here we go. Okay, now we're parked waiting because Great Bend, Jonathan's stepmom called and said that the track announced that they have the bearing. So now we're trying to see if maybe we need to wait and just go get the bearing instead of driving 9 hours. So, drama! Alright, so it's official. We are driving to Tulsa. The folks in Great Bend, the bearing wasn't right. Not the right bearing. So, we're driving to Tulsa. So you guys are going to get some great night driving shots. Made it to Tulsa. Now we're looking for the truck. Oh,
You found it.
no, that's a
Yeah,
tow.
that's me. See, I'm doing it.
Ah, so
Do it.
we found it. It's over there now. We drive. How far was it? How many miles?
200 and something. I can't remember. I can tell you when we look back.
Like low 200s or like 210, 250, or because it was a
I'm gonna
long
say
ass
it's
time.
220 or 30.
God dang.
It's probably 230 to be honest with you.
Which one was it again?
It should be on the other side of the big toter.
yeah, so we're here, and we're gonna get this, and hopefully his rig has gas in it, and then we're gonna drive 200 and whatever miles it was.
30, 40 miles or whatever.
Yeah. So, yeehaw. Alright guys, so we're gonna pull up on the trailer here, you know, kind of a smart move there. Should have done that in the parking lot, would have been way easier. Alright guys, 3 a.m. We are here loading the Nova up on the trailer after making that blast of a round trip. So we are back. We got to get everything set up to mount the other trailer on the back of the trailer. This was crazy early morning. It is 2:23. They're loaded up. Trailer behind the trailer with the car on it. And Jonathan's headed towards Tulsa. And we're headed towards Hutchinson, Kansas, because there's no freaking hotel rooms left in Great Bend. Because, you know, our room got basically sold out from underneath us, I guess, whenever Expedia decided they could make some money. So we got cardboard on the doors here. We got Timmy a blanket here in the back, right here, and hopefully he'll survive. All right, guys, it is 4:08 in the morning. This is the end of day 4 of Rocky Mountain Race Week. So we're gonna sleep for like 2.5 hours at Days Inn in Hutchinson, Kansas, and then get up and go do day 5. That's technically right now.
Yeah.
There's probably people that are getting up for day 5 right now.
They're pumped and we're not.
Yeah. All right. This is the end of this one. Final day tomorrow.